Hi everyone, my name is Peter and I'm here to show you a new dry powder module for our Raptor Portable Particle Size Analyzer and Shape Analyzer. Many of you already know the Raptor system. We've released it about 2 years ago. It's the latest version of our particle shape analyzers with the latest Raptor technology with the optics and advanced sampling systems. So as you all know, this is a portable system. It could also be a benchtop system. Once you get to the bench, you can connect an external keyboard and mouse, and it'll operate comfortably in a lab environment. When you're ready to go, you just close the lid to the Microsoft Surface Pro computer, and you turn it off, and you're ready to go. And you can take it anywhere as a carry-on luggage. So getting back to the new release, we have a new dry powder system. So this will be the first of its kind. So not only is the Raptor system the first to have a technology that gives you the same resolution in the lab that it would give you in the field, but it also now has the first field-based dry powder system. As you all know, the wet system has an external vessel with tubes that go in and out, and the interchangeable disposable sample cell. Well, now with the interchangeable disposable sample cell, the wet cell that I just took off, you could put in your dry cell. Your dry cell goes right in to the same place. No need to refocus or anything. You put your sample in, your sample funnel in, and then you put in your dry powder system. This is the dry powder system. Very simple, very easy to use. It has a hopper on the top with a variable aperture. And to get it to work, no connections needed. It just connects right onto its base pads. And as soon as it's connected, you'll see that there's a red light. Running a sample, very easy to do. We just turn on the vacuum system. And we can actually create a sample name and start the sample. And as everybody already knows, with the Raptor systems, we can look at number weighted distributions. We can look at volume weighted distributions as well. We can also wait for the samples to finish, and we'll give you all of the statistical histograms as well as the thumbnails as well. Very similar to the wet system, we also give you a concentration measurement, so the amount of particles per ml, although this would be in a dry environment. Also a very nice feature is the fact that because it's dynamic image analysis, you can see all the particles as they're being analyzed. So once the blue bar finishes, it goes to our data processing dashboard. I'll turn off my vacuum, turn off the hopper, and we're free to do anything we want here, including thumbnails, looking at all the thumbnails, all the correlation plots, and all the other features that Shape allows. So once again, very simple to use. Once you're done with it, you can actually remove this, take your sample out, air it out, water it down, and just put it back whenever you're ready to run. And it's connected. And again, your sample cell is interchangeable, disposable. Take the funnel out, and there's your sample cell. You could blow it off with some air on the bottom if you want, but ready to go for the next sample. Let's do that. Next sample. Just going to increment it, turn the vacuum on, turn the hopper on, and start it. Just as simple as that. Again, this is the hopper. You put your sample in here. You can put as much as you like. If any customers need more sample, we can actually increase the size of the hopper to their custom needs. Again, remember, we can look at a volume weighted distribution, or in this case a number, or a volume weighted distribution. You'll see that we put some big particles in there as well. Right now we're displaying circularity and size. You can display all the shapes that you like. And again, once you get to the end of the run, You'll be taken automatically to our dashboard. Where you could sit and look at the thumbnail images or use any of the other tools that we have available for analysis. Again, let's turn the vacuum off. This is a new release. We welcome anyone who wants to find out information. Please contact us at www.particleshape.com, and we'll be more than happy to run some samples for you. Thank you.